what do we have here? Seized up pistons because K gasket was leaking. Yeah. And massive leak. The cylinder walls could get cleaned. That's why it was not turning over. All the cylinder walls are rusted. That's why it's not turning over. We'll work them out. They're moving out and they're a bit cleaner. And we just put some oil in. Still have some spots on here, but that doesn't look well at all, that part here. But we'll take a risk and put everything back together and do the compression test and see how we get on. Right, the intake manifold and everything is still loose. The exhaust manifold is loose, but we have fuel pressure is fine. Spent a few times the engine, and we'll see now. We have about 11.8 volts, which is pretty alright. Wait for turning the car on. The alternator wire is broken. We need to fix that, but I say we'll be able to run it on the jump cables though.